Hi, it's Julie. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I use eyeshadow as eyeliner and also tightline my eyes to get more definition and a little bit more drama. I have blonde eyelashes, as you can tell, that really don't show up until I put mascara on them. And I used to just wear mascara and that was fine. That was all I wanted to do. And then I added in an eyeliner. I would either use usually a pencil eyeliner and then sometimes a gel. But that is such a harsh line that now I really prefer to use eyeshadow as an eyeliner. So I'm going to show you what I do. And also for those of you who just use mascara or just use an eyeliner or just to tightline your eyes, this will hopefully give you a visual of the different steps and the different looks that you can get with adding one of those steps or not. So first, what I would do at this point, I have on my under eye concealer a little bit. I have my eyeshadow base and some eyeshadow. I've been using this Milani one. Everyday eyes must have naturals, #1. So what I want to do now is take this nice deep black that's here, and I'm going to take a little eyeshadow brush. My sister got me this. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's just a little eyeshadow liner sort of smudge brush. And I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus on it and run it across the black. Usually I use a dark brown, but every so often I'll still use black. And I have a mirror over here. I'm going to do my right eye. I start in the center usually and just do small strokes right at my lash line. And I've learned that I don't want to go all the way to the outer corner with it. Looks like I kind of did. I'm not used to doing this in front of people. Looks like I may have taken it all the way to the corner, the outer corner. I don't normally want to do that because my eyes are, starting to droop a little bit on the outer corner. So what I want to do is make it a little bit thicker and go up. Now the going up on my eyes won't show usually, but that's what that looks like there on that side. I'm not the best at this. I am not a makeup artist by any stretch. What I like to use are ones that are specifically waterproof and specifically for the waterline or tightline if possible, because they tend to be a little bit softer, they set quicker, and then they also last a little bit longer. They don't transfer. I can do this. Okay, so I'm going to do it like this. Once you get used to it, at first you kind of think it's not hygienic. You don't want to poke yourself in the eye. But if you take it slowly and you stay near your lashes and you're using one that is soft, like this Marc Jacobs or the Hourglass 1.5, you get really used to it. You can keep your eyes open and make sure that you get all of that area. So that's the difference. That's what that looks like. Hopefully you can see the difference. This eye here has the tightline done in black and the eyeshadow liner above. I wouldn't always use black, maybe for a nighttime event or something like that, but it really does show up. If I were to put a dark brown and a kind of a dustier brown eyeshadow along my lash line, I still get that fullness and thickness look, but it's not quite as dramatic. Since doing this, people have said, what mascara are you using? Because they're wanting to get that kind of fuller, thicker base to their lashes, and it really is this technique of doing both on the eye. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in my next video.